Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna open up my very first Fashom styling box. I think I said it right. Fashom is an online styling service, sort of like other ones like Stitch Fix and Transcend, but they're just a bit different. They offer vegan clothing. What does that mean? No animals will be hurt in the process of their manufacturing. Like any other subscription, you fill out a form, and the cool thing about this one is it asks for your waist size and your hip size and bra size. So it adds a little bit extra to the sizing, because a small for one person might look different than a small for someone else. So it's really good to gauge like what proportions need what sizes. Once you fill everything out, they tell you to check back in 2 to 3 days. So I did. And then we set up an appointment to have a Zoom call, which I thought was pretty cool. The only issue I had with that is it sent me this Calendly. I don't know if I said it right, but it's some type of app that helps you make appointments, and it really wasn't user-friendly. I'm not sure if I didn't know what I was doing or anything like that, so I just added it to my regular calendar to remind me what time the Zoom appointment was. They spend 15 minutes with you to ask you about, your lifestyle and how you like to dress and things you like and what you don't like. And I think it's really important because a lot of times when you see the person's face, like when the stylist sees the person's face, they kind of get more of an idea of what their style is. And so I think it really helps with that. And it's just nice to talk to someone, just to have somebody to have a conversation with about your style, because there's a lot of things that you would forget to write, or, there's a lot of things that might pop into your head while you're talking to them, like, oh, I like this, or I don't like that. So it's a very natural occurring conversation. It's really cool. After that, you will have about maybe 2 days or so where they will send you an email with a few choices of items that you could choose from. And I thought I might need more choices, so I sent them an email and they sent me some more choices after that, and I picked 5 items from the choices. This is the lovely box, and it is my favorite color, in case you didn't know. The one thing I have to say is I'm not feeling as surprised, or like not surprised, but I'm not feeling that anticipation of like, ooh, what did I get? Because I kind of already know what I'm getting. That's the only thing I'm like, I really wish I didn't know what I was getting, but we'll see what happens. Let's open up. It is a very compact box, and it's heavier than one would think looking at the size of it, because I was surprised that it was so small. Oh, that's cute. It says #betterasiam. So the first thing you see is it says, "Hello, beautiful," which I think is very sweet. So I'm going to read the letter. "Hi, Dee Dee. Thank you for styling with Fashom for the first time. It was such a pleasure speaking to you on our styling call. I hope these pieces will be a bright spot in your day. For those hints of warmth during the days and dips down into cooler temps at night there where you live, I have included a mixture of comfy casual styles and more boho-inspired workwear, a pair of relaxed fit black jeans, more natural hues, a touch of baby pink, and a few pieces that I just felt could really work for you." Okay, so I think that, you don't need to know everything. You're gonna see what I got. Can't wait to hear what you think, Kristen. It hasn't really been that warm lately. The past few days have been a little too cold for me. I digress. Okay, so the great thing about Fashom is if you buy 3 or more items, you get 25% off. And if you buy all 5 items, you get 30% off, which I think is really good, because I think that that's like the most anybody ever offers off of a subscription. Or, you know what? And that's the other thing. You don't need a subscription with this. You just tell them when you want something, and then you talk to them, etc. It's not like you have to sign up for like a box every month. They give you an envelope that you can fill out with all the things that you don't want to keep, and you can just stick it in your mailbox. And then it's all wrapped up. Colors look pretty. All right. The first thing I see is a makeup mark on this sweater. It looks like someone had tried it on. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a makeup stain right here. Well, I want to see what the material is since it's vegan. Okay, it's 100% acrylic. The next thing, this dress, it looks something like, like tropical wear. which is fine with me because I dream about moving to a beach one day and just being a bum on the beach. But a cute bum. Beach bum. I think it's cute. I have to try it on though, you know, like with anything else. All right, the next top. Oh wait, let me look at the material on that one. Polyester. This is 100% polyester. So the next one, this is the Gilli. I know that there's a name for it and you'll get to know later. It's like a little bit of a cropped sweater. It's cute. It's a very soft pink, which I like. Again, I'm gonna be very annoying and tell you what the material is on this because I think that's important. 52% viscose, 48% polyester. All right, the next thing. This is the Renee C top. You know what? Honestly, I think this looks better in person than it did online when I saw it. So I'm kind of glad I picked it because it'll be fun to try on and see how it looks. It's super cute and I love lace. And then the last thing is the Just Black denim HR Destroyed Mom Jean. So I recently bought mom jeans from another company and I think I've worn them like 100,000 times since. I mean, they're so comfy, but they're so cute. Just amazing. And I've been saying like, I don't want any more skinny jeans because I've got enough of those. So I told her I did need maybe black, gray, or some other color mom jeans. And she delivered. These will be fun to try on. And I am assuming that this is 100% cotton because it feels like it. Yes, it's 100% cotton. Love that. I love cotton. Cotton's healthy. Good for you. All right, I'm gonna go try everything on. So this is outfit number 1. I love the jeans. They're so awesome. At first when I put them on, I was like, is this too much? But it's cute and it is my style. And I also cuffed the bottom of the jeans because they were just a bit too long looking. And it totally gave the jeans a facelift. It made them look more edgy, which is so funny how something so little can make your jeans look so different. I paired them with my booties because this is basically how I would wear these jeans, or I would wear them with some Converse. And then this top that has the stain on it, I mean, I can understand why it would happen because the neck part here is pretty tight. It's not tight like as I'm wearing it, but when you put it over your head, like if I was wearing my hair curly, you would have seen a static electrical thing happen. I mean, it was just really tight. Anyway, I'm not crazy about the sweater though. It's not, I don't know. I think that these are cute and whatnot, but I'm sure that one of these is gonna end up getting lost at some point because they're not really, they're just kind of like put on there with like, I don't know. I don't even know how they're put in there. And then this is, you know, 360. I like the jeans. I'm not crazy about this top though. I'll be right back with the next one. So this is outfit number 2. I mean, same jeans, of course, but this is the other top that it came with. I like the top. I think it looks really pretty, but the only issue I have is the minute I shrug my shoulders, it just gets stuck right here. And you know, you don't want to be doing this all day long whenever you move part of your body and it just starts getting stuck again. So it just, like if I do that, I know I'm not going to walk around like doing this all day, but you know what happens, see? I just did it naturally. So this is gonna have to go back. I do think it's pretty. I like the lace part. It just doesn't fit right up in here. And I don't know why, but it is what it is. Next. So this is the dress and I actually like it. I put it on and I was like, oh, it feels good. It's something that I would wear with flip-flops because this is like a very summery type of beachy dress and it's like really loose and it's not see-through, so that's a good thing. I like the way it fits. It's, pardon my bra, I just didn't feel like taking it off. You know, it fits nicely. It doesn't have any weirdness going on here, which happens a lot with dresses like this, but it fits perfectly. I like this. I was like, I don't know about the pattern, and then I put it on and I was like, oh, definitely something I'll wear in the summer and at the beach or even around the house on a really hot day. I absolutely love this dress. This is super cute, so she's a keeper. Be right back with the last outfit. So this is the last item. This is that sweater. I like the color. I'm not 100% sure about how this looks on me though. I don't know, let me know in the comments below. I have a few days before I have to return it. But I'm kind of on the fence about it because I'm not sure about the way it drapes my body. In the description, it was tucked a little bit like that, but I don't know. I think I'm worried I might not wear it. I'm worried that I'm gonna buy it but then not wear it, and I think that's a waste. You know, I'd rather not buy something, pay a little bit more for the other two things that I'm getting, than try to get this for the 25% off and then never wear it. So that would be an utter shame. So I still have to think about it, but let me know. Yeah, just not, it's like, fits like this. Not worried about the way it fits on top. The overall thing, I'm just not 100%. You know what? If you're not 100% sure, you should never buy something. But let me know what you think anyway. So in the envelope, you get a little "Better as I am, believe in yourself and you'll be unstoppable" little note here. It says, what's next? So 1, try before you buy and purchase your favorites. So once you've picked out what you wanted, you can go to the My Style tab on the Fashom app or fashom.com and select which orders to keep and which items to keep, which items to send back. Then you hit checkout. Then you put, you know, whatever you don't want in the envelope and send it back. You can also have free returns or exchanges. So if there's something that you didn't want to keep, of course, you know, you return something, you don't have to pay for it, but you can also exchange it, I guess, for like a different size. If you need an exchange, you have to email them at hello@fashom.com. I find that to be interesting. There's not like an automatic like thing that you can put in there. Save big on spending while you save rescue dogs. Oh, okay. You have 3 days to decide which items to keep or return. Remember, if you buy 3 or 4 items, you'll receive 25% off. If you purchase all 5 items, you'll receive 30% off. For each Fashom box sent, we donate $1 to Second Chance Rescue New York City Dogs. Well, that is very nice. I myself have dogs and I love them like they're my children. Dogs are just amazing creatures, and you know, it's a shame that when people get them, they don't really take good care of them and they get abused, and it's just really heartbreaking to see that. So my dogs are like my little babies. Okay, and I know that for some reason, I think that I'm getting, no, I'm not paying a fee, a styling fee, but usually I think it's $20. All right, so I'm gonna go through all of these from my least favorite to my most favorite. So the first one is this top, the Renee C floral lace short sleeve top. If you get it at the full price, it's $39. At 30% off, it's $27.30, and at 25% off, if you get 3 or 4, it would be $29.25. The price is fine. I just didn't like whenever I moved my arms, it would do some strange kind of thing. So she's gonna have to go buy. I mean, I'm kind of disappointed because I really liked the pattern and the way it looked on me, except for the part where I couldn't move my shoulders at all, or it would shift the entire top. So that was kind of a bummer. Alas. So the next least favorite thing, and there's 2 reasons why I'm kind of about this one, is because it has a makeup stain on it, and I know it's not their fault, but these are certain things that people need to look at before they put into a box to send to someone, because it can be a little off-putting. Not that someone else tried it on, but that there's makeup on it. Because from my experience, very hard to get foundation off of clothing. This one is Miro Levi PomPom sweater. The full price is $53. The 30% off price is $37.10, and the 25% off is $39.75. I mean, the price is okay. Also the pom-poms just kind of like, I don't know, wasn't doing it for me. Next. All right, this is the Gilli nude boat neck long sleeve crop top that I'm on the fence about. I probably won't get it, but the full price is $39. The 30% off is $27.30, and 25% off is $29.25. I mean, it's all right. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. All right, so now we're gonna go to the second favorite thing, and that's the Joah, I think it's called, high-low maxi dress. I mean, this is really cool because I don't have anything this color with this pattern or anything like that in my summer wardrobe, and I really like it a lot. It's really flowy, which is totally my vibe. And I mean, I felt good in it, you know? And if you feel good in something, if you put on something, you're like, hey, you know, buy it. Just buy it. The full price on this is $37, which is That's a really good deal. 30% off is $25.90. 25% off is $27.75. So, I mean, you get a whole $10 off. Huh. Let me think. I mean, it might be worth it to buy 3 things because basically you're getting like one of the shirts almost for free. But you don't want to buy something and not wear it and then it ends up like in some kind of pile somewhere where it's just adding to the clothing issue that we're having in this world. I mean, if you really want to be honest here, like, fast fashion is very dangerous. Very dangerous. But I love this and I know I'm going to keep it for at least the next 20 years until I turn 90. Well, it's gonna be a little bit longer than that before I turn 90. But before you know it, it's like, bam, life just flies by, right? I'm probably gonna be that 90-year-old woman that wears a thong on the beach. Just kidding. I wouldn't even wear that now. All right, so my favorite item from this entire box was the Just Black Eli's Destroyed Mom jeans. The full price, this is such a bargain. I mean, for me, I think, is $62. They fit really nice and they didn't feel like $62 jeans. They could have easily told me they were $100 and I would have said, okay. 30% off is $43.40 and 25% off is $46.50. If you buy all 5, the subtotal being $230, which is still right there for 5 items of clothing, is not so bad. You get the 30% off discount, which means $69 less, so it will end up being $161. So $161 is not bad for 5 items of clothing. If they had all fit me right and if the pom-poms weren't so strange on that sweater and it didn't have like that weird makeup stain on it, I would have bought all 5. However, we're not doing that. I'm just gonna get the jeans and the dress, so it's gonna be $99, which I think is fine. I would have loved to be able to get more things and get a discount, but like I said, I don't want to add to the fashion issue that, we have. There's actually clothing landfills. They're just up to here and we have to really think about what we purchase and know that, like, if we buy something, we should buy something with the intent of keeping it for as long as we can. That's why I'm like more into like, I'm gonna buy what makes me happy, not what everybody tells me I should be wearing. I found this to be an interesting experience. I think the pros are that you can actually talk to somebody face to face. I thought that was awesome. There's somebody looking at you, seeing your style. I think I could have probably brought her over to my closet to give her an idea, show her what I had, and maybe she could have built on that. Maybe next time we'll do that. Another good thing is that it gives you discounts on items if you buy 3 or more, which is awesome. And the discount's pretty substantial, 25 to 30% off. That's pretty cool. And then the fact that they're vegan items, that's no animal has been harmed in the process of this manufacturing the items. So that's kind of cool. The cons, I really wish I didn't know what was going to be in the box. Not being surprised is definitely something I didn't think I would miss. And I was like, oh man, I already know what's in the box. Like, it would have been fun to like, it's kind of like opening up a gift that somebody gives you where you're like, what is it? I don't know. And then you're surprised, and I guess sometimes surprises can be pretty bad, but in the long run, it's fun to get a surprise. Now, being surprised is not for everyone, so that's kind of cool for, whoever likes to pick things out. I'm not saying I would never do that again because I really liked the experience. I just kind of like, I wish that I could have just been surprised, but this was fine. It was great. Yeah, I love the jeans. I love the dress. Wish that lace top fit me better. And let me know what you think in the comments. Are there any boxes you've tried that are considered vegan? And do you know of any subscriptions where you get to have a Zoom call? I think that's pretty neat. I will leave a link below to this Fashom box. Whenever you refer a friend, you get $10 Fashom credit. So I'll just leave the link down in the bottom. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye!